Is renting throwing money away in 2026? When mortgage is 6.9% and insurance is $6,000 in some states? What if oil hits $100 next year and new homes stop getting built? And can you handle a $15,000 roof bill tomorrow, plus a layoff email from AI? If you are Jake, in Austin today, you have $100,000 in your hand. What weapons do you have right now?
You pay $2,600 rent every month. It feels like throwing money into a hole. But look at 2026 numbers. If you buy $435,000 home with $100,000 down, you borrow $335,000 at 6.9%. Principal and interest $2,200. Add tax $400. Insurance $520. Maintenance $400. Total $3,520. You pay $920 more than renting every single month. Just to say I own it. Your weapons look strong on paper. Income $150,000. Credit $780. $20,000 emergency. That is strong. But is it strong enough? When oil is $82 and AI can take your job, do you feel proud, or is your chest already tight? You thought $3,520 was the end. That is just the starting line in 2026. Property tax up every year. Insurance, $6,200 a year now. Up 30%. Because climate does not care about your budget. Builder says lumber up 15% because diesel is $82. Then Saturday, drip, drip, roof leak, $15,000 cash. Your $20,000 emergency, gone in one afternoon. Mom calls congratulations. You want to cry. You have weapons on paper, but love does not fix a roof, and credit score does not lower insurance. How much can you pay? Not in dollars, but in sleepless nights, wondering if Fed will cut or not. Let me be your fortune teller for 2027 to 2030. Scenario 1. Fed cuts to 5.5%. Your $435,000 home jumps to $480,000. You gain $45,000 overnight. Scenario 2. Oil hits $100. New construction stops. Down 11% already in 2026. Rent. Lisa pays $2,600 now. Goes to $3,400 by 2028. You locked at $3,520. Looks smart. But scenario 3. AI layoffs hit Austin. You lose job. Lisa rents, moves to Dallas next month. You cannot, because you have house. To sell you pay 6% fee. $26,000 plus $10,000 closing. $36,000 gone. Before you restart. Which future can you survive? With weapons today. Do you feel hope? Or are you just guessing like everyone else? Lisa. Rents same area. $2,600. She takes $920 that you pay extra to own. And invests it every single month. In S&P 500. In 2026 market wild. Up 10 down 20. She needs real discipline. When market drops 20%, will she still buy? Or buy trip to Thailand like you almost did? You have forced saving. Bank takes money automatically. Every month. Even if sad. Even if tired. That is hidden weapon. Bank's discipline worth more than credit score. Do you envy freedom or pity her because she never has backyard to be irrationally protective of? Here is Killshot. Nobody tells you in 2026. They told you you are building equity. First month, you pay $3,520. Only $200 becomes your house. $200, other $2,400 gone. To interest, tax, insurance. You are not owning house. You are renting money from bank at 6.9%. And if you want to leave, agent fee 6%. $26,100 on $435,000 plus $10,000 closing. $36,000 gone. Before you know neighbors. So what do you really pay? You pay freedom. You pay ability to chase AI job in Dallas. You pay peace. Can you pay that? In 2026, where oil 82, rates 6.9, and AI can take job next month. Feel your hands. Are they cold?
So, in 2026, renting is not throwing money away. It buys freedom in crazy world. Buying can win. If you stay 7 to 10 years and can handle oil at 100, insurance 6,000, and 15,000 roof. This is what Jake feels, and weapons he has. But think, if you were Lisa, with 920 free to invest and ticket to move anytime, what would you do? Tell me in comments. What weapons do you have in 2026? And next time, we hear Lisa's side.